table. What's a lonely day? I must check out Umbreon. He must be doing something. But I should put on my demon power because he may get hurt or something back there. And I hear something very noisy, so I should go in the cave. Going into the cave. I'm so sorry, Espeon. I'm so sorry, Espeon. It's my fault. What do you mean by that? Not a good person, but I'll make this promise if I still cheat on you. If I cheat on you, I'll still make this promise, and you better keep it. If I cheat on you, this promise will be when I cheat on you. I promise I'll come back and see you again with my new girlfriend. You're not going to do that. Just let me see your new girlfriend, and then I just cry for beg. Don't you understand? I waste my time all these years for you to follow me. And why are you always following me? Do you even care? Espeon, I do care. Then what is wrong with you? I don't even care anymore. You do, Espeon. Don't act like you don't. I do care. And I will give you reasons to tell me that I... Do you little know how I'm practiced by the birds? Do you really know I... Protected by the memory. Don't you know how much I care, do? Don't you know how much I care for you? Don't you know how much I care after all the things you done? After the times I came back walking as demo mode, I said what you done to me. So I will take that life on her, my only friend. I'm so sorry. You don't actually care, don't you? I love you, SB. I love you, Espeon. You don't mean that, right? I do. Huh? Huh? What are you doing? Hold up. Let me get my headphones.
Until an hour.
15 hours later. Wake up, Mom. It's time to go. Pooling. I don't know who is that. Just leave me alone. Mom, wake up. Okay, here's that. Wake her up. I'm sorry. Oh, hey. See ya. What is that? What is that? Is that what? Of course it is. No, it can't be. Yeah. No, seriously. Why? Well, don't you remember that time I made you drink a lot of water? Yeah, I do. And it was toilet water. Don't talk about that. That was personal. Oh, even why did you make me do that? That was yeah. That's what you get. Stop, Umbreon. It's not funny. It is. Just stop. Alright, what's happening right now? Do you know her name? Do you know her name? It's Espeon and Umbreon. Umbreon, just cut it. What's happening? It's too early to fight, guys. Oh, hey. Umbreon's talking about me eating toilet water. Ew. Can you please stop talking about that? Anyways, I feel like I want to go to the pool because I'm so bored. Yeah, me too. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Yeah, let's go. 15 hours later. I feel like I can't make it. What? Where am I? If you're here, Espeon Umbra, I need your help. Please come back now.